What's up, guys? Y'all hear that echo? It's because I'm in the staircase thing. But y'all, it's not a vlog. I know I'm holding my camera, but it's not a vlog today. This video is my second video of the day. I'm the same person in the same day, in the same video, you know what I'm saying? Today's video will be on, it will be tips, pros, cons for you guys about college. So yeah, you freshmen, this is a video for y'all. Or anybody that's new going to a university. You know, like transfer students, you know what I mean? You gotta enjoy this video. So this first tip I'm gonna give y'all, don't be scared, freshmen. Don't be scared. Y'all, college ain't even that scary. Look, when I came here, I wasn't even scared. I was more scared when I went to 6th grade in middle school. College is fun. Look, everything about college, it's nothing to be scared of. It's you never know people's classification here. Nobody know your classification, you don't know theirs. People probably don't even know I'm a freshman. They probably think I'm a senior or something. So don't be scared. No one knows your classification. Just chill, okay? Alright, that's first. What?
You chill.
I got number 2. Look, this girl over here gave it to me. Number 2, it's good. Don't procrastinate. Y'all, this whole semester, the only reason I procrastinate is because of my roommate right here. Like, when she don't do something, I don't follow nobody else, y'all. Listen, when she put off work, it made me want to put off work. Procrastinating in college is going to get you that big F. It's going to have you dropping classes like I had to do. Y'all, don't do that, okay? Don't procrastinate. Get on your studies, get on your work. It don't matter what major you got. Stay on top of it. It's a nursing major. Look, a nursing major is just as important as education major. Like, come on. If you education major, don't mean you can work. Don't mean you got less work to do. Don't procrastinate, okay? When you got tests, if you got a test on, say it's a first week, right? And it's Wednesday. You got to text the next Wednesday. Y'all study that. Study, okay? Don't study the day before the test unless it's math. Math, you can slide by. But don't procrastinate on papers, on studying for tests, on projects, on any assignment for any class. It don't matter how little the class is. If it's PE, don't procrastinate. Go get your gym clothes, okay? It's okay. All right, let's get to this third step. The third most important thing is really important. It's more important than procrastinating. Get to know your professor. If your professor don't know you, you doing something wrong. Go to your professor's office hours. Go get to know them and make them know your name. Because your professor, when you go to that class, they're not going to know you. My biology teacher knew me by a number, which was like 107. I'm a number like, no, I'm not going to say that. You know what I was about to say?
What?
Never mind. But my teacher knew me as a number. She don't even know my name to this day. When she passed me outside, she don't say nothing because she don't know me. Make your teacher know your name. Like our math teacher, she know me and my roommate because we be in the math lab every day. We never went to her office hours, but make sure you're recognized. Make sure they know you because they can change
we got bonus points
at the last minute. They could change if your final grade was a C, a 79, a 70. 77. They could bump your grade up like this because they know you trying hard and they know you by name. Okay? I'm telling y'all, know y'all professors. If they don't know you, you ain't getting that grade that you want.
and go to today.
Number 4. Is this number 4? Go to class. Y'all, people don't go to class in college, and it's pretty sad. That's why their grades looking like. I mean, I dropped out of a class, and it wasn't for the purpose of not going to class. It was just that I didn't study for the class. I mean, look, mom and dad, if you're watching this, I did study for that class. I did. But go to class because you never know if you're having Christmas break coming up, that Friday that y'all are gonna, at the end of the day, you can go home, still go to class because that day, that's the day them teachers gonna give out extra credit. 10 points on your next paper. And that's a whole other grade. But you not there, so you won't know. So go to every single class. Don't matter if it's at 8 o'clock in the morning, you can be sleeping. Go to class just in case they're giving out extra credit. You don't want to miss that. I've never missed extra credit. I might have skipped a few classes or so, but that's okay. Don't listen to that. Go to class. Don't sleep in class because if you're going to sleep, you might as well skip it. Go to class. Don't miss a class. Another college tip is y'all, y'all don't gotta go to every party, okay? Just because they gonna have a party every Thursday or every Friday or every Saturday, don't mean you gotta go. Be on top of it. I mean, do you just stay in your room? You know, parties.
Don't tell nobody to stay in their room. Let them explore.
Parties are not that important. Like, you can go at 1 or 2, okay? Just have your fun, but don't go to every single party because you're gonna see a decrease in your grade unless you're a really smart student and you ain't gotta study for no test, do no work for no class. And I guess, you know, that ain't none of y'all in here, right? Okay. So don't go to every party. It's not that important. It don't even live up to the hype that you thinking about. Like, don't even go, okay? The first one you can go to, my party experience, that'll be in another video, okay? All right, bet. But don't go to every party. It's not even that. It ain't even that fun, y'all. It's boring. The next step I got for y'all, I think it's number 6 or number 7, one of the two. Get a planner. I mean, I took academic support, and she told us to get a planner, and I didn't listen to her. Y'all might remember all y'all stuff in y'all head, but y'all need to put a time that you're gonna do it, a time that you're gonna stop and do something else, a time that you're gonna take your break. Personally, this girl over here, this is my roommate, you guys.
Shut up.
She didn't like me being on the planet because she thought I was boring, didn't want to go out, do nothing. But y'all, planet is very important because it can keep you on top of your work. Like, even when you get out of college, you're gonna need a planner so you don't mess up appointments. Make an appointment for each homework assignment, each paper, each time you're gonna study. It's important. I'm telling y'all, I started getting A's. I started seeing an increase in my grades because I got a planner. Started seeing a decrease when my roommate told me to put the planner down.
No, I didn't.
So y'all, but it's very important that y'all get a planner.
Give yourself a break.
It's very important that y'all get a planner.
Because you was stuck at your computer.
Listen, I have a very important rule. Make sure y'all choose y'all roommates wisely. Because some of them roommates crazy. People be talking about their roommates every day. Make sure you know your roommate, and make sure if you don't like that person, okay, let me just tell y'all, the person beside your room, make sure you get to know them, and so y'all can have a good relationship. So if they loud, you can go knock on their door and tell. It just X me off. I don't know what. And make sure y'all get a close relationship with them so that you can go over there anytime and knock on their little door and tell them they're too loud. Because I'm not gonna spill no tea, but y'all, make sure y'all know y'all neighbors. Make sure you like your room. Well, get to know your roommate. And yeah. Because, I mean, I like my roommate this semester. Hopefully, I have the same roommate next semester. But y'all, pick them wisely. Get to know your neighbors. Because if you don't, they're going to be loud all the time. And you just can't go over there and say nothing. And don't always take it to the RA. Because they're not really, they're there to help. They probably not going to listen to you. They're going to tell you to go solve your own problems. And sometimes that can lead into. So just avoid all of that and get to know them. I forgot to mention this, y'all. In my last video, if it's up before this one, I forgot to say make sure you have flip-flops for the shower. Y'all, them showers be nasty. If y'all see the shower when you move in, ours had like black stuff on it. You know that.
Yeah, it had a whole bunch of hair.
Ours had a lot of stuff on the floor. So every time every time I go in that shower without flip-flops, I see that and I come back out and get my shower shoes. Get flip-flops. From Dollar Tree, Dollar General, get flip-flops. Because y'all don't know what them people before y'all who had their room had on their foot. Athlete's foot, fungus, you don't know what they had on their foot. So make sure y'all get some shower shoes. Make sure y'all get shower shoes, y'all. It's nasty to step in that shower with no shower shoes. Even if y'all have a mat on the floor, get shower shoes because it's still nasty. Okay? Y'all ready for these last steps? My last step for y'all is don't go broke in college. Don't go broke. Get a cash app. Make sure get a cash app, y'all. Cash app, if you don't know what that is, look it up. You might want to get one. Tell your people to cash app you every week or every 2 weeks. Y'all, college gonna take your money. I'm not even playing with y'all because the cafeteria ain't gonna have nothing. You ain't gonna have no snacks left. You gonna want to go out to Wendy's. You gonna want to go out to OEC. You gonna want to go out to the nicest hibachi restaurant. Get a cash app. Ain't that right? That's right. I know it is. Get a Cash App, y'all. It's very important. I mean, you can have cash, but get a Cash App because you can send requests like this. Cash App saved my life in college. Every time you go home, get your parents a Cash App. You know, get $100. Get your roommate to Cash App you $5. Mine didn't, but your roommate might be nice enough to do that. So get y'all a Cash App. Budget your money. I mean, it ain't like people gonna do that in college anyway, because I'm out getting fast food every night. So, I mean, just get a Cash App, and that should solve all y'all problems with money. I mean, if y'all ain't got nobody to Cash App y'all no money, make some friends in college that you know got this, and that will Cash App you with no problem. So, get the Cash App. And y'all, that's my last step to this video. Make sure y'all go like, thumbs up this button, comment, subscribe, watch my last video if I have it up before this one. If not, watch this video, then go back and watch my next video, which will be what to bring to college and what not to bring. So make sure y'all go subscribe, like, and do all that stuff I said. Hit that notification bell so you can get a notification every time I post. Look in the description and stalk my social media. Also, my other channel, Jazz and Drill, will be in the description below. So make sure you guys go over there and subscribe to that and watch the videos. Thank you guys for watching, and I will see y'all in my next video.
You love keeping me fly, but can't keep me from looking so crazy. Coming at 6 in the morning. Where you been? Where you been? Who is that texting your